When cleaning and or clear sealing, sometimes you will get great results and sometimes not. Oftentimes grout is permanently stained, just looks aged and worn. Aside from restoring the grout to a like-new condition, the grout becomes non-porous and easier to maintain. The area that has been color sealed maintains its original color, and other areas darken because the grout is still porous. Even after coffee completely dries, simply spray with a mild cleaner, lightly agitate, and wipe clean. Become proficient and generate $150 to $200 per labor hour while turning your tile and grout nightmares into happy customers.